Firstly, I'm very happy that Doc, as I lovingly call him, Ashwin with my association goes back over 16 years. Back from Australia, blah, blah, blah. And Khushi, who's a friend, has done a fantastic job. She's an amazing singer, very good talent, very, very good. And when Doc and Khushi approached me to do this song, they first quietly sent me the track. And when I heard the track, I fell in love with it because जैसे सब लोग जानते हैं that the music that I've normally been associated with is a very integral part of what I've become or who I am. And songs, the lyrics have to matter. And when you are listening to a song, everybody that hears a song today hears the lyrics. There has to be a connectivity. People have to have a story in their head, heart, soul. So when you hear the lyrics and the words of this song, I'm sure that everybody associates this music and the song of Khwab with their own version of their own story. So that is the beautiful part that is the song. Khushi sat down and discussed the song and the story, and I fell more in love with the song because as you've seen the visuals, and people are going to see the visuals later today, this is a story that women who are married or have got uniform association in their families, they relate to it. Today with the media, we get to see this a whole lot more due to news channels, due to social media. Women, that is mothers, daughters, sisters, wives, whether they have husbands, brothers, fathers, you know, who are in uniform, when they live in constant fear and dread, when they don that uniform and they step out of that door, whether they are ever going to see this man coming back home. It's a terrifying feeling. It's a feeling that I think no human being is very comfortable to live with. And as much as we salute the men in uniform, I think there has to be a double salute for all these women who endure that day in and day out, that they have to live with that fear, but they live it with a smile, and they give that support that those men require at home, which is very, very important for them, for their mental balance, for their families and everything. And in this video, you see Khushi in love with a man in uniform, And as much as she dreads him wearing that uniform and stepping out, she endures that sadness, that pain, that pride. Well, she has the pride that he wears the uniform, but she endures it with a smile and with an unnerving, unresisting love and the bond that she has with this man. So it's a highly romantic song. Kudos to her team and to her that they've made such a beautiful song. And I hope in the same spirit, people who are going to watch this song and they're going to hear this song, that they will enjoy it as much as I enjoyed working on it. Thank you, Ash. Thank you, Khushi. Thank you, Eye Candy Entertainment. And I'm back doing work. Tonight's Khushi's day. This is her platform. I wish her all the very best. And I'm sure in the coming days, people are going to hear a lot more about her. God bless you.
Thank you, Rahul. सबसे पहले तो आज मेरा ख्वाब रिलीज़ हुआ और उसमें आप सब आए. थैंक यू सो मच. और राहुल ने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली कि कई आर्मी पर्सन्स होते हैं जो चले जाते हैं लेकिन उनकी फैमिली जो होती है बहुत मजबूत होती है. तो उसी को हमने इस पूरे गाने में दिखाया है कि सैड नहीं होना है. उसके जो यादें हैं उसके सहारे ही वो कितना हैप्पी है लास्ट टाइम तक. उसको याद कर कर के हंस रही है. सो उनकी मदर सिस्टर सभी ऐसे ही होते हैं. तो ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है जो राहुल ने नोटिस की. एंड एक और बहुत बड़ी बात मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि ये जो स्टोरी है राहुल ने ही हमारे साथ शेयर की थी. इतनी अच्छी प्यारी सी स्टोरी कि स्टोरी बिल्कुल भी खुशी सैड नहीं होनी चाहिए. कोई भी ऐसा सीन नहीं होना चाहिए जो पब्लिक को गलत लगे या बुरा लगे. तो ये राहुल ने बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी मुझे बताई जो मैंने भी सुना तो मुझे अच्छा लगा कि शायद ये बहुत अच्छा मैसेज बन सकता है. और लिरिक्स आपने सुने अभी. आशा करती हूँ आपको सॉन्ग पसंद आया हो. थैंक यू सो मच. और कोशिश करो मेरे सभी सॉन्ग यूट्यूब पे जाके देखने की. तो थैंक यू सो मच.
सबने अपना अपना बात बता दी है कि गाना मैं थोड़ा इसलिए इन्वॉल्व हूँ क्योंकि मैं गाना देखा हूँ. जैसे गाना इतना फास्ट और स्पीड में क्या है. आई हैव सीन पीपल डिस्कसिंग प्लानिंग एंड lot of coffee meetings, chai meetings and dinner meetings, nothing happening finally. And this thing has happened I think in 3 or 4 days. And Rahul I used to see coming to Maharashtra place right on his time. He's very punctual in his timing. And they discussed it. And I don't know how they did it. And the shooting was also finished in maybe by 6:30 or something. It was finished. And I see some of the albums going for 2 days, 3 days, or maybe many more days. And the way the album was shaped up also, it's not just an album. It seems a lot of soul, that emotion has gone into it. The planning has been so accurate, maybe because that is Maharaja's style. Maharaj has his own style, so he talks less and he punches more, or he does more, like that. And the way it has shaped up also, and Khushi is very so passionate about her work. She'll think of her work first. Party may wait, but work is very dear to her. And you can see the album when it is played here also. So you can make out how the album has been made. And the place has also been a last minute change. We were initially deciding to do it in Powai, and Doc didn't know much about the place. So when he's sure of something, he'll do something. So Taj thing also happened in such a way. And in the morning, I was there with Doc. I think in half an hour it was done. He called up the hotel staff, and immediately they did everything. And that is how this place has also come to us. And everything has come up like that. So in a sense, I think it has come out well. And I hope with the media backing and a lot of people's good wishes, it will go on very well with the public mind. Thank you so much.